Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Weekly Forecast for Jan 9, 2020. Let's look at the calendar. On Tuesday, Jan 13, 7:30 a.m., we have core CPI. Jan 14, 7:30 a.m., we have core PPI. Jan 15, we have unemployment claims at 7:30 a.m. Let's look at the key levels for the crypto next week. For Bitcoin, support is at 88135, resistance 93718, and another resistance 99067. So Bitcoin recently has broken the trend line. It's consolidating after breaking the trend line. It has created a descending triangle, which is considered to be a bullish. So if it's able to break this resistance, which is at 93916, so next move is till 99276. But it is also one of the resistance level. So if it's unable to break this resistance, so it can try to test the support level, that is 88031. If it break this support, then next support is at 81516. Another support is at 72111. So this is the time Bitcoin has to take a direction. Either it can go up or down. And one more direction which can be decided over here is it can go and test this trend line. If it get rejected, then it can come down till 71756. If it claim this trend line, so we can see a big move up, maybe towards 1 to 5. So it's a make or break. For Solana, support is at 122.79, resistance 145.40. If it's able to break this resistance, 143.69, then next resistance is at 164.94. If it break the support 122.69, then next support we have at 84.54. For XRP, current support 1.8223, resistance 2.3576. If it's able to break this resistance, the next resistance is 2.5797. If it is breaking the support 1.8166, then next support is at 1.5774. So there are two long entries over here. If it able to break the resistance 2.3522, then we can go long targeting to 0.5793. And if we try to test the support, that is at 1.8928, and we get a confirmation candle towards upside, then we can go long targeting that 2.3628. For Ethereum, current support is at 2906.30, resistance 3487. If it's able to break this resistance, the next resistance is at 4225.49. If it is breaking this support 3069, then we have a next support is at 2621. That's all for the crypto weekly forecast for next week. See you next week.